calm down.
Okay. Oh no, what happened? You okay? Should I help him? I don't know what to do. What's wrong, buddy? Try to put him in the grass. Maybe he got hurt? Oh my gosh. Are you okay?
What happened, Daddy? What happened? What happened?
I don't know, babe.
He got hurt?
Maybe he got hurt?
Oh.
Okay, buddy?
Is he okay? Did he fail? And he fought really hard and he fell like this.
Yeah.
Oh. I think you trained to find your mama? Your mama?
I
You?
don't know what to do.
Okay, I know what to do. Can you put them on? Everything is alright, okay? Can we bring him with us? Can we bring him with us? Can we bring him with us? Can we bring him with us?
I don't know. I don't really know what to do here.
Do you think he wants to stay with us?
He's going to sleep.
Aww. Don't just sleep right here. Can put him right here? There's a bug.
You okay, bud?
Can you give me him?
What's the matter?
What happened? He fell? Can put him right.
I think he's hungry.
I think he wants us.
Are you calling your mommy? Hmm? Are you calling your mommy? He's so tiny. Alright, so I texted my friend from school, Charlotte.
What?
And he said that it's baby bird season and they're probably trying to fly out of the nest. So we should put it somewhere where it won't get hurt. Okay? But leave it so the mommy can find it. Okay?
Okay, there.
So where should we put it? Should we put it under this tree?
No.
I feel like he jumped out somewhere. No, we're not gonna take him home, bud. We gotta.
Put him in the stroller.
No, we can't take him home. We gotta leave him so his mommy can find him, okay?
Listen.
Can you say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Say goodbye, baby.
Goodbye. And put it. Come on.
Should we name him?
Yeah.
What's his name?
His name is a baby bird.
That's a great name. All right, say bye, baby bird. You say we hope you find your mommy.
We hope you find your mommy. Oh.
All right.
Oh,
You want to give him a little pet?
Oh.
Gentle. Good job.
Can you put him on
All right, we're gonna put him safely back over here, okay?
Did you see him?
So his mommy can find him, okay? There you go, buddy. There you go, buddy. I love you. We hope you find your mommy, okay?
Oh.
All right, he's gonna call his mommy now, okay?
Okay.
All right, bye, buddy.
Bye.
Oh, man. I hope you find your mommy, buddy.
Oh, I hope you find your mommy.